Yo, what's up again mga kakusot, mga karpintero at mga karpintera, and you're now watching here again our channel Karpintero Pinoy TV by GCS Sundur. So and guys, for today's vlog, babalik tayo sa Prisma Residence ng DMCI. So studio unit na naman ang ating gagawin dyan. Then yung ating client is from Singapore. So wala sila sa Pilipinas, but kailangan i-accommodate natin sila para maisakatuparan yung kanilang kahilingan. So ayun guys, ready na ba kayo? Puntahan na natin at silipin ang kanyang unit, at sa ganun is malaman natin kung ano yung mga ipagagawa niya sa atin. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Let's go! Guys, nakita nyo naman yung unit nila. So medyo maliit lang yung unit nila, pero ang gusto ng ating client, ang request niya is magmukhang malaki yung kanyang unit, at the same time is mapaganda natin yung kanyang unit. So ayun guys, hopefully magustuhan niya ang ating design, and hopefully magustuhan niya rin yung ating gawa at the same time. So ayun guys, ano pa hinihintay nyo? I-design natin, baka i-design ko ng iba. Let's go! So ayun guys, ito na ang ating design. So ito yung kanyang hallway, living, kitchen, and dining area. So ayan yung kitchen niya. Kung mapapansin nyo, maraming mirror. Pati yung sliding partition niya na door is ginawa natin one-way mirror para magmukhang malaki. And then TV rack sa living, TV rack sa kwarto, then ceiling works, and CR, and hidden TNB. So hidden bathroom siya. So ano pa hinihintay nyo guys? Ito na ang ating design. Gawin natin, baka gawin pa ng iba. Let's go!
Hi, this is Kite, and I am a unit owner here at Prisma Residences in Pasig, and I want to put up a review for GCS Woodworks, who did the renovation of our unit. And I just want to say that they are one of the best contractors that I've ever worked with. They're very accommodating, and we did a lot of changes along the way, and I could say that whatever we want to do, they actually accommodated it, and that's really good. And I think one of the challenges that we had was to work with contractors that would do everything for us. So when I say everything, it's not just the renovation, but the shopping and deciding of a lot of things, because we are not residents of the Philippines anymore. So we needed someone that we could trust, and I think we found that with Michael and Irish. We were able to entrust them almost every single thing. I can say that in every decision making, I just give it all to them, like the liberty to decide for us, and none of the decisions that they decided for us I regretted. So it was one of the best decisions we've ever done, was to really engage them to do the unit here. So yeah, I think for people who are non-residents of the Philippines anymore, who owns a place here in the Philippines, and you live in a different country, I think it's good to have contractors like GCS Woodworks, because you can trust them to work with your place, knowing that they're gonna do a good job still, that they're not gonna they're not gonna do anything weird with the place, or even charge you crazily. They're very trustworthy, I could say. Even until now, I think our relationship with them is good. I still chat them if there are issues with the house, or I feel that there's some fixings that needs to be done. So if ever there's another place that I would want to renovate, I'll definitely get them again, because I know that even if I am outside the country, I could entrust them my place here in the Philippines. So yeah, they're the best, I feel, contractors to have if you are someone who doesn't reside in the Philippines anymore, because you can really tell them anything that you want, and they will accommodate you if they can. So good job, GCS Woodworks.